Hello, this is novaTopFlex, and in this video, I will actually be touring the GNOME Desktop Environment, at least to an extent. First off, because I'm recording Pulse Audio on FFmpeg, on the top right, you will see that I'm using the microphone for this recording. You will also see the Wi-Fi status, the volume indicator, and the battery percentage on select systems. This is what it would look like on your laptop. Feel free to tell me if you know, as a desktop user, how you know to make sure that you don't have the battery indicator or other laptop features on, because it is certainly possible that you might have those desktop features on accidentally. Now, you have multiple different keyboard shortcuts, but you can also use trackpads depending on your circumstance. So there are two workspaces on the system. There is an app launcher. So when you press Show Apps, click on Show Apps, and eventually it should display a launcher. It might be slow on some systems, like I'm down to 8 gigabytes of RAM, so it's definitely slower. I used to have 16 on my system, so it was somewhat better performing at that time. So now you should be able to see the different applications and app icons in this app launcher. If you haven't noticed already, this includes nearly every application that's graphical anyway, that's installed on the system. So as long as it's a graphical application, it should work and should be featured. You may also notice that with the GNOME Desktop, applications may appear quite differently on GNOME than on other desktop environments because of the window manager and everything. Feel free to tell me in the comments if you know what window manager the GNOME Desktop uses, or at least tends to use. You have applications like Cheese for the camera also, 4Pane, 9menu is for 9WM and is not actually one, AR&R. So let me actually do the AR&R. This is going to be a display resolution. You'll see, this is a window layout, so you may notice that the window layout is similar to what you'd expect to see on GNOME applications, sometimes even when you are running the GNOME applications natively on other desktop environments. There are different keyboard shortcuts, like Super, and I believe Print Screen is supposed to do something like take the screenshots, or whatever you do on Print Screen should work however well it does. The screenshot tool is Scrot. Another major command I ask you to use sometimes is, I believe, Control-Alt-T. That is actually going to give you a terminal. And on the GNOME desktop, it's supposed to be the GNOME terminal. This is what the GNOME terminal appears to be. Overall, if you like this type of content and would like to learn more, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and try to hack the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching.